In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a double eliminations bracket step by step. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the Bracket Ninja software. In my particular opinion, it is by far the best bracket software on the internet. It allows you to customize double elimination brackets just the way you want to. It's also very easy to set up and completely free. So if you take a look at the bottom here, you have a very standard double eliminations bracket. You have the winners bracket on the top, the losers brackets on the bottom, and then obviously the winner on the right hand side here. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to this page right here. From here, I want you to go ahead and click on try for free in the top right corner of the screen, which will then prompt you to the back end of the Bracket Ninja software, and then you'll see this screen. From here, I want you to click on double elimination, and then on the right hand side, you'll see a confirmation that you've selected this particular type of bracket. Before we proceed, at the bottom here, you also see enable voting and enable predictions. So if these two are relevant for the type of double elimination bracket that you want to create, go ahead and enable them. In my particular case, I want to manually adjust or update the double elimination bracket as the tournament progresses. So once you're done with setting this up here, go ahead and click on create tournament in the bottom, and then you'll see the very bare bones version of your double elimination bracket, which we now need to customize to our liking. So the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and add all the different participants they want to have as part of your double elimination bracket. In my particular case, I want to have 8 participants in total. So here's 7 and here is 8. All you have to do to add participants is click on this button down here, and they will automatically be added. Once you're done with adding all the participants to your double eliminations bracket, on the left hand side you also see matches, look and feel, settings, localization, integrations, entries, and analytics. These are some additional customizations you can take advantage of to further customize your double eliminations bracket. So if you go to matches right here, this is where you can customize the outcomes of every single match. Now bear in mind, they can't do this while you're still editing the bracket itself. It first needs to go live, and then I'm going to show you how to go ahead and customize pretty much anything that you see right here, both for the winners bracket as well as the losers bracket down here. Now the next thing you want to do is go to look and feel. This is where you can customize the bracket just so it looks a little bit better and more custom to what we want it to look like. So in my particular case, I'm going to go for a black skin like this because I really like the dark mode kind of look to it. Here you can also change the font type. In my case, I'm going to keep it the default. You can change the layout. Mine is traditional. However, you can go for rectangle, circles, and squares right here. Then you can also change the dimensions for the brackets. So that will be the game size and the score size. So for example, if you're creating a bracket for a tournament where the scores can go to like 3 digits, then you obviously want to have a little bit more space here. So if I just change this to 60, you can see how the score bracket becomes a little bit bigger. I'm going to keep mine like this. Then if you go to advanced right here on the top, this is where you can change the colors of very specific elements within your double eliminations bracket. I'm going to keep mine as it is because I don't want to change anything to it, but just know that this option is right here for you to take full advantage of. Then right next to advanced, you will see background. This is where you can add the background to double eliminations bracket. So it could either be your own image right here that you can upload, or you can take advantage of one of the background images that are available here, or one of the background patterns. Now if you just click on this one, for example, you can see what it would look like. In my case, I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to go for this dark green background pattern right here. Once you're done with customizing the overall design of your double eliminations bracket, at the bottom here you will also see settings. Click on that, and then this is where you can change pretty much anything to do with your double eliminations bracket. So that includes the main text right here, which is on the top. In my case, I'm going to keep it as is. You can also set a description as well as the rules and terms of the bracket. Then at the bottom here, you also see a bunch of features that you can add as part of your double eliminations bracket. For example, third place match, prizes. So if I just enable this, you can see that there's a new tab that opens up here, which is where people can see the prize pool for the tournament. Then you have a champions view and a bunch of other options. In case you don't know what each of these means, there's an information icon right next to each one. So go ahead, just hover your mouse over them, and then you will see what each of these features does. Then at the bottom here, you will see the visibility settings. So for example, if you don't want to have the bracket title shown, we could just simply disable it, and then it will go away. Then you can also do the same for rules and terms, and a bunch of other options as well at the bottom here. Right at the bottom, you can also change the date and time, the social, and then you can customize your widget URL as well. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of different customizations you can take advantage of to truly build the exact type of double eliminations bracket that you want. Once you're done with setting this up, what you want to do is go ahead and click on save changes right here in the top right corner of the screen. And then you'll be prompted to this page right here, which is where we need to log in. You can either sign up with your Google, GitHub, or Webflow account, or you can take the standard route and enter your email address, full name, and password right here, and then click on sign up. In my particular case, I'm going to sign up with Google, so I'm going to click on that, and then you'll be told to check your inbox. Go through the process, and then you'll be taken to this page here, which is where we need to assign a bracket to a project. So go ahead, click on select right here, and then go ahead and add a new project. In my case, I already have one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my first project right here, and then click on save changes. And once you've done that, you're all ready to go. You can either go ahead and copy the code for your double eliminations bracket and embed it right on your website, or you can copy this link right here and share your double eliminations bracket with others. Now in my case, I'm going to close this down like this, and then what you want to do is go ahead and click on start tournament. Then you will see this pop-up right here, which will tell you that after starting the tournament, you will not be able to do these things, and then you'll be able to do these things displayed right here. Simply click on start tournament, and then your tournament will begin. Once your double eliminations bracket is live and as the tournament progresses, what you want to do is go to the matches section right here, which is option number 2. This is where we can update the winners bracket and the losers bracket. So for example, if you go to match 1, which involves Kyle Roberts and Matt Dave, you want to click down here, and then this is where we can update the winner. So for example, you go to winner right here, click on select winner, and then choose Kyle Roberts, and as you can see, Matt Dave will automatically be crossed out, and then Kyle Roberts will be moved on to the next stage of the tournament, while Matt Dave will go down to the losers bracket automatically. Here you can also update the scores. So for example, Kyle beat Matt 5-2 like that. You can also go ahead and add the date and time, as well as the location / the venue where this matchup took place. So I've just selected 11th November 2025 at 1:30 a.m. And then at the bottom here, you can also add a game overview if that's relevant. Now, although creating a double eliminations bracket through Brackets Ninja is completely free, some features and functionalities, such as adding an image to each participant right here, require a paid plan. So if you go to free right here on the top that says upgrade now, click on that, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and here are the 4 plans that are currently available for Brackets Ninja. So you can see I'm on the free plan right here, which supports up to 300 monthly page views. It does not allow to vote or predictions, and it only allows us to have 1 bracket as well as 8 teams or players per bracket at a maximum. So if I want to create a double eliminations bracket with, let's say, 16 participants, then I'll have to go at least for the basic plan right here, which offers a lot more features and functionalities. As you can see, for example, it offers unlimited monthly page views compared to just 300 on the free plan. And if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, actually 48%, which is nearly half price. So I would definitely recommend you to subscribe annually if you plan to use this software throughout the year. And if you just go down here, you can compare the different plans and the features and functionalities in much greater detail. But yeah, that's about it. That's how to make a double eliminations bracket. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.